All right, so I'm gonna show you how to use this with the remote. This car's pretty durable. The boys, our kids can drive it in the grass. They drive it over the curbs. Backwards, forwards. There are 2 different speed settings and you can control all of that from the remote. Another really great thing about this is it has a siren and it lights up, so this will turn the siren on. It does come with, plays music. So watch. Hold on, let's play some music.
Music mode.
Kind of some random songs. And then it also has this that you can talk into. Say something. Kids love it. And when they're old enough to drive it on their own, they can. We did add some stickers for our local police, so they really enjoy it.
Pero el chicho. Yo. Ahorita mira. Estoy pedo también, me chingada. Papá, ayer me llegó el güey a amarme.
Now put it on the tree. With the rest of AJ Green. What? What? No, I'm putting it on the It's my daddy, y'all. Dad, say hi. Just wait.
So I just bought this item not even 2 weeks ago from Amazon. And this is what it's doing. Fully charged for the full 12 hours before use. And this is what it's doing. It won't drive forward or backward, but they won't even let me.
It's not doing anything.
Woo! Look at you, dude!